Good morning. Today's pre-market news. Investors world over seem to feel confident about what the Fed is likely to do. That explains the accommodative approach by investors witnessed world over. The outlook is a positive start. The focus for the day will be on the Infosys results, especially after Narayana Murthy is back at the helm. The last 2 minutes the company declared its results, the counter saw huge intraday swings. Besides the results, a change in guidance, if any, will be closely watched. May IIP numbers and June CPI numbers are among the data points which investors will like to keep a close eye on. US indices saw record closing with the Dow and S&P adding a little over 1% each. The Nasdaq notched gains over 1.5%. Asian markets are mixed with the Nikkei up marginally while the Hang Seng has fallen a tad. China's Finance Minister Lao Jue says 6.5% economic growth rate wouldn't be a big problem. Expressing helplessness over the rupee's fall, central banker D.subbarao on Thursday attributed rupee fall to global factors and said it is difficult for him to predict how the currency will behave going forward. The rupee climbed to a one-week high on Thursday but later weakened by 2 paise to close at rupees 59.67 on dollars demand from importers. In a landmark legislation on Thursday, India's apex court decreed that a person who is in jail or in police custody cannot contest election to legislative bodies. The decision was hailed as by some as it aims to weed out criminal elements from politics, while others remained apprehensive of its effective implementation. Our recommendations, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling Z July futures below rupees 240 for the target price of rupees 228 with stop loss placed at rupees 246. Derivative strategy for the day. Long Gale July futures above rupees 322 for the target price of rupees 334 with stop loss placed at rupees 317. Thank you. That's all for today.